Testing. All right, I guess it works. Am I streaming? I think I am. All right, this is a little weird. I've never streamed. I think I'm streaming to no one, but it's a test stream, first stream. And I think it's gonna help me out, just kind of getting my ideas out there. I'm trying to like keep myself in check. So we'll see how it goes. Let's see. Sí, ciérrame, please. Booms. All right, so I guess I got a chat here. All right, so I'm basically starting out a WhatsApp bot that I've been wanting to make for a while, powered by AI. Still don't know what I'm gonna use. If it's gonna be like OpenAI, Claude. Probably gonna be OpenAI because I already paid for ChatGPT, so I think that's gonna give me access to like the testing. Testing. Testing, testing. Testing, test. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Testing. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. E. Freaking OBS. That sounds good. I don't hear any static. Okay. I'm already streaming. Oops. Oops. Alright, let me see then. I'm gonna change this real quick here. So first stream fail. My laptop just reset on me. I don't know why. I think it's because I had left like OBS running for a while before. I think I might be getting double audio. Let me just fix that real quick. Uh, Actually, I just gotta change. Um, You know what? I'm just gonna leave it like this because I don't really use. Anyway, let's maybe just change this. Ha 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 ha. Okay. I don't want any monitoring. All right, so hopefully this is still working in. Okay, yeah. Now it's better. Sorry about that. All right. The screen is, yeah, it's still updating. All right, so this crashed on me. So here's where we were, right? Where were we? Oh, you know what? It might have been Super Whisper that crashed this. All right, so also let Cursor know that we're probably not going to use any of the web server part of this template repo. I usually use that repo for GraphQL APIs that are going to actually both via a web server through something like, you know, Lambda and API Gateway. So we're not going to really use any of that. But again, at some point, I might use the Pulumi side of things for deploying some infrastructure to AWS, like maybe a DynamoDB table or who knows what. Probably the S3 bucket I'll use for the auth part of WhatsApp Web is going to be deployed through that. So yeah, let's maybe keep that there. But just let it know that in terms of setting the client for WhatsApp Web.js, it can just set it up in the best way possible based on whatever he thinks is best. And the only thing that Cursor has to keep in mind is that we'll probably be deploying this to a Lightsail AWS box because I think that's the cheapest option, and then we'll use Pulumi for doing that too. Jesus, this model is freaking slow. All right, so let me update that. Let me see if we can actually get a faster model here on the free version of Super Whisper, because the other one was way faster. Yeah, I was using Parakeet right before I started streaming just now. God damn, all of that is freaking. This is the fastest one, but apparently it's not as accurate. Fast. This is fastest one, but the less accurate one. I mean, honestly, speed maybe nano. What's the accuracy here? Yeah, it's supposedly it's way more accurate. This is the best one, right? It's like so accurate and super fast. They're probably gonna get me to pay here at some point, right? Anyway, I'm gonna keep it for like this for now. Watch it. Oh my god, bro, just give me one. I'm gonna read through all that. I'll just give the freaking longer one. I just want a markdown file for this. All right, please give me the plan in a markdown file so I can download it and just feed it straight to Cursor. You didn't even pick up the first part. All right, just give me a markdown file that I can download so I can just feed it straight into Cursor. So my dog is there. You can probably see it. It's sleeping right here. Kenji is his name. It's a Shiba. ¿Qué pasó, papi? ¿Qué pasó? Yeah, he's probably gonna come over here in a bit. Oh my god, it's opening this in Xcode. Jesus Christ. No, please. Yeah, so this is my personal laptop, so I think I haven't configured that here. Thank you. Change all. Yeah. All right. All right, so I want to give you this plan, and I want you to start with the basics. Let's take it slow, go step by step, and I'm gonna change to plan mode, and we can just, take this initial plan, and I'll let you make your own plan so that you can start implementing it. Sounds good? Yeah, this one doesn't even like pick up like. I really gotta change to the other model. How much is Super Whisper a month? I'm about to just pay for it. We're using it so much. Actually, did it give me access to the... No, I just want voice to text. Let's see how much this is. This is yearly, this month. It's not bad. 40% off for students. I'm not a student. Well, a student of life. Should that count? Oh, dude, you know what? I'm not gonna pay for it. I haven't paid for it so far, so I'm gonna cheap out here. All right, so come up with a plan for all of this. If you feel that you like to remove some of the craft in this template repo, feel free to do that, but don't feel obligated to do it if you think it's not necessary. Yeah. Yeah, this model is not that great. Jesus Christ. I feel like I used this standard one when I was first trying it out and it was much better. My English is not that bad, right? 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 All right, let's see what it does. I'm gonna grab some water while it's planning. Yo, come on, you're asking me for permission for doing LS? Come on. Come on. So he's exploring the repo structure. Cool. What else did it do? Cool. All right. The bubble runs a normal Node.js process daemon style, completely separate from the existing Lambda GraphQL infrastructure. Sounds great. We'll add a new source WhatsApp directory for all the bot code. All right, I'm fine with that. Index.ts, WhatsApp client, local auth, and a local directory. I think that makes sense based on what I read. for local auth, you can actually like while you're testing it, once you like do the first QR code generation, I think it just can like save that session to a directory that you give it, and then that way while you're testing locally, you don't have to like keep re-authenticating every time like I relaunch the local client, right? If I'm like iterating on the code. So I think we'll definitely want that initially. So it's saying that it wants a message handler from target group. I guess yeah, it's kind of like saying, all right, which group it came from. Right, from target group. No, ignore it. Yeah, we don't want the bot to do like individual conversations, like one-on-ones. We won't do that for now. I might do that later for myself actually, because I could have like a WhatsApp bot that's just like doing stuff for me. That'd be cool, right? But not gonna do that for now. Just gonna make it like listen on groups that it's on. Bot triggered, yes. Send static reply. Honestly, that seems good. I just want to see it working first. We'll keep digging into like all of the actual stuff later, like based on the docs here. Like there's a ton of shit here. If you see like just everything that's supported. So honestly, I plan just to give it this and then let it run. So from the existing template, it's gonna leverage Logger TS utility, which is Pinot based. I like that. Ricard, I mean, yeah, a bunch of helpers that I have. That's good. And yeah, the good thing about this repo is that it's set up for TypeScript and you know it's like following the best standards according to me. It's using ESLint, prettier. It already has a TypeScript config and all that, so I think we're good there. That's the main gains from the template, honestly, which I probably have to update because I haven't updated like in a year. I've just been like doing what I'm doing today. I just like clone it without because I say I don't want to spend time updating it. So I can probably get a probably get a cursor agent to just do it for me, but I don't do that now. So entry point, index file, client.ts, it sets up the client with local auth. It has a handler for message.ts. I guess it's fine. We can put all that there, keep it simple. And then trigger detection logic. All right, I guess we'll go with that. Environment barrels to add to the .env. Oh, that's right, because I have .m here too. WhatsApp enabled true. WhatsApp target group ID. I kind of don't like that. I want this to be able to run on any group. So like what I was imagining is that it would just be listening for messages that come into groups and it just picks up group messages. But I guess it's fine because right now I just wanted to listen in my test group and not be replying to all groups. We'll change that later. I think group ID is fine. What's a bot name? I actually want to call it something very specific, and it's like a Venezuelan slang word, but it's like a pun, but I won't say that on stream. I mean, I will, but WhatsApp trigger words. I actually want it to be just a mention, right? Yeah, I think @bot is fine. I mean, or on whatever we'll call it. Group ID will be discovered during first run via logs. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So this I haven't seen before. So no sandbox, disable set UID sandbox. I guess that's fine. It's gonna be headless. I'll see what that does later. Message handler. Each incoming message, check if it's from a group chat. Okay. Check if the group ID matches the configured target. Yep. Check if the bot was triggered, mention or keyword. Yep. Send static reply if all conditions pass. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense for B1. I mean, not B1, like just setup. Trigger detection. The bot is triggered when message contains a WhatsApp mention of the bot or message body contains any configured trigger word, case insensitive. Okay. Every significant event will be logged. I like this because I kind of want to like use logging to see what things are happening. TS node, that's good. Just turn on the server. TS Node Dev. I don't know what's doing that one. All right, so a few comments. First, why are you doing TS Node Dev in the bot dev script? I think we can just do with one normal TS Node script. So the bot one, I didn't completely follow the dev variant. Yeah. See, like the transcription wasn't as great here. So install WhatsApp WebJS. Yeah, QR code terminal. Yeah, that's the thing that's mentioned in the docs. That's for like just doing the local auth validation. So I'll actually just like scan the WhatsApp code here. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna try to set it up now here. Or do this on this other screen so you guys don't see it. I kind of want to see if that my Google Voice number is actually tied to anything. I don't think it is. So it's basically doing, so it's a testing workflow. Create the data amp with initial config, npm run bots, car QR code with WhatsApp, add the authenticated phone to a test group. Yep, check logs for the group ID. Yep, update that env with the correct WhatsApp, restart bot, send hey bot in the group, confirm static group high received. That makes sense. Session persistence. Session stored in at the project root. This directory should be added to git ignore. Contains auth tokens. Preserved between restarts for auto reconnection. Yep. What we're not touching the server.ts, GraphQL resolvers, Lambda infra, DynamoDB, Pulumi. Yep. This remain untouched for future use or cleanup. Makes sense. The to-dos. Yep. Sounds like a plan, brah. All right. What should I do here? Let me check the number. So, WhatsApp web. Scan to login. Oh, dude. Fuck. I don't want to unlink my WhatsApp from. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use my Android device here because I do have the business, but I think I'm already using like the WhatsApp business. So I just have a like an Android, not a burner phone, but I use it for testing. It's like I'm not freaking Walter White, but I don't have WhatsApp here. Let me just download it real quick. Holy shit, Android sucks so much. What's up? Dude, how long has it been? This first stream was like what, 21 minutes only? I saw that. This one has been going for what? 23 more minutes. All right, so we haven't even hit the 1 hour mark. Right, it's installing WhatsApp. Do I have Google Voice here? Why is it taking so long to freaking install WhatsApp? I think this phone is just about to die. Okay, installed it. Open it here. Yeah. Choose a country, United States. Alright, so I'm just looking for my Google Voice number here. Settings. Alright, I got it here. Copy it. I'm just setting up WhatsApp here on my phone. Like, okay, let's see. Yep, yep. Alright, sending me a code. Motherfuckers. It's not a valid mobile number for the country United States. What do you fucking mean? Oh, I think I copy pasted it wrong. What is it? Mother fuck. Bro, they're not letting me use they're not letting me use fuck. Yeah, they're not letting me use the Google Voice number for WhatsApp. Is that like a known thing? Is it a known thing? Is it a known thing that you can't use Google Voice numbers for WhatsApp? Do they just block them? Block them. Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna need a Twilio mobile number. Freaking great. I think I already have a Twilio account. Let's just fucking buy one. Okay. Okay, which of them phone numbers are compatible with WhatsApp? Programming messages. Supported to the phone number types of the phone are supported for WhatsApp, local, mobile, national, toll-free US numbers only. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, let me just get a mobile one. How much is it? Bro, give me a direct link to your fucking dashboard or... I definitely have an account here. Yep. Alright, I don't want to leak the freaking password. Thank you. Account suspended. The fuck? Cero seis cinco 634. Oh, nice. Oh, great. Great. I just leaked the freaking recovery code. That's not gonna work. Oh my god, freaking streaming. Great. I'm gonna need to change my... Video change. Recovery code. I mean, they'll have to just log out and say I forgot it. My God, bro. I mean, what are the chances, right? Oh, wait a sec. I think that's the way you reset it. Log out. Mm, mm, mm. Try another method. Recovery phone. Don't fucking tell me I lost it, bro. Just fucking had it here. I'm literally going to the stream, backing off. I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna copy the freaking code because I lost it. Wait, is YouTube smart enough to like block that kind of thing? Nope. Well, that's the already leaked one, so that's fine. Mm. I think I'm in. Great. All right. Let's see. I want a phone number. Phone number. Manage. Active numbers. Buy a number. Voice SMS. Recharge your account. Okay. I don't get it. Current balance $20. What? Great. I just leave my address too. I don't get it, man. Your Twilio account is currently suspended due to lack of funds. Recharge your account. Account suspended due to compliance violation. What does that mean, though? Voice, email. How do I just buy a regular freaking number? Voice. Come on, it's $1. Not bad. I mean, let's just try to buy a number here. Um, I guess let me just ask. So when in the Twilio dashboard, how do I make sure that when I'm under, you know, phone numbers, manage, active numbers, buy a number, how do I make sure that I'm buying a mobile or what you're calling a mobile number from Twilio? The type is mobile. Phone numbers managed by a number. Look for filters panel capabilities SMS. Okay. Number type. I don't see number type, so I think it's just hallucinating that one. But number. Advanced search maybe. Okay. It's not available for numbers in this country. What? This number type is not available for numbers in this country? Are you serious? So it seems like the US is grayed out, or has the US owned numbers have mobile grayed out when I'm selecting number type. What countries in Twilio support mobile numbers? Alright, I'll just probably do what? Spain? Seems legit. Or United Kingdom maybe? Nah. UK with all the freaking stuff there. I'll just do Spain. Or you know what, let's just United Kingdom. It's probably the best support either way. I just want mobile, any. I don't know, you just want to do it SMS. Or let's do SMS and voice. They probably have less of a chance, right? $1 a month? Fuck. I guess it's not bad, right? You're gonna cheap out now. 44746. Alright, let's just freaking buy it. Receiving incoming voice calls, fax, SMS. Honestly, I don't want fax, right? I fear that like WhatsApp might actually just catch that and decide it's not a mobile number, right? Yeah, this one seems better. Voice and messenger will be routed to the United States, US region 1. You can reroute the number. Dude, I don't even know if it's gonna work. I mean, it's $1. Let's try it. Oh my god, assign and approve United Kingdom mobile individual regulatory bundle. What? Let's see what ChatGPT tells me. The UK requires identity registration. Oh, come on. All right, for WhatsApp, right? Which country in Twilio would you use to make sure that it has the highest ranking? That means that WhatsApp doesn't block it. So it's saying United Kingdom, Netherlands. Apparently, there's less regulation. All right, let's try Netherlands. The Netherlands. Okay. SMS and voice. Cool. Regional. Next. Individual. Please don't require a bundle. Assign address. For the country you selected, you must assign a validated address to continue. If you don't have a validated address, you can create an address. Alright, let's create an address here. That's easier, right? Names. Why is it not letting me create it? Okay. How do I validate it? Bro, getting a phone number is crazy, right? Holy shit. Yeah, there's Jeff Reddick and Hollywood. Oh, jeez. How do you validate it? Come on. Alright, apparently Twilio wants me to have a validated address in Twilio in order for me to get a Netherlands number. How do you validate a number? Sorry, an address in Twilio. I added the address and I don't see anything to validate it. It's definitely marked as not validated, so I think I still have something to do there. Oh my god. Phone numbers, regulatory. Okay. Okay. Phone numbers. Phone numbers. Regulatory compliance. Where is that at? Okay. Addresses. Okay. Open the address. I don't see submit for validation. The three-dot menu. Let's maybe bring this over here. Maybe it's because I have it in a very weird window here. Great, I'm leaking my address now. I don't want to do that. I mean, you can probably find my address pretty easily either way, but keep a job, puppy. Wait, does the address have to be from the Netherlands, or can I have a US address as the chosen one for a Netherlands phone number? Jesus Christ. And what else do I need here? I mean, what's the other options that they gave me? What if I just try like another like Google Voice number? Honestly, I'm surprised that I can't use it. Oh, dude, you know what? I think I already used that number. Do I already use that number in WhatsApp Business? I think I was doing some testing and I actually registered my Google Voice number to WhatsApp Business, and I think that's why it's getting picked up as invalid. Pretty sure. Ah, dude, it's that, bro. No, actually, no. The phone number you enter is not a valid mobile number in the United States. Okay, so I can't use that one. Fuck. Alright, so Google Voice is definitely out the window. Wait, but can I complete the UK regulatory bundle even if I don't have a UK address? I live in the US. So this is being really fucking slow. But can I complete a UK bundle or whatever you're calling it, even though I live in the US? I do not have a UK address. Okay, T-Mobile prepaid. I'll probably just do that. Fuck Twilio, I guess. I mean, I want to do everything online. What's the best SIM provider that lets me get a number through a SIM card online? All right, Minmo, let's fucking do it. Buy a plan online, choose eSIM, scan QR, phone number activates immediately. $35. All right, fuck it. It's expensive. Mint Mobile. Three-month VLI plan. I don't need data. I just want voice. Ah, man. No, I already got a phone. Apple. iPhone. Control. Q. Okay, great. View plans. 12 months. But I want the cheapest one. 33%. $30 upfront payment required. 2 months, $20 a month, 12 months, unlimited. Dude, I'm not gonna use data. Let's just fucking use. Just that one, right? Free mall hotspot, unlimited talk and text, so we're waiting customer care, blah 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 blah. $30, 20 gigs, 5 gigs, yeah, let's do that one. eSIM, great. Apple, iPhone 14 Pro, $30. What happens after 3 months? 3-month renewal, $25. 6-month renewal, yeah, fuck it. I mean, yeah. I'm definitely not streaming this, right? Yeah, I'm not. Right? I'm not. Recovery fee, come on. Fucking idiots. Alright, I gotta get my business card. Alright, so definitely not leaking card details here. Alright, so I got it. I think I got it. Exactly the plan. What? Get a new number, get new number. Mm-hmm. I think it went through. Mint Mobile, bro. Who would have thought? The worst part is gonna be that this doesn't really work. I'm gonna fucking be pissed. Like I mean, like the WhatsApp doesn't take this Mint Mobile phone. Alright, I think it worked. Booms. Strong password. Copy paste. Install your eSIM. Before using your Mint plan, you'll need to install your eSIM. To install, go to your phone settings and data information below. Refer to your phone. So I think I can do that on my phone, right? Um, this supports multiple, what do you call it? Multiple phone numbers on the same device, right? It just uses eSIM. I don't know if I think I gotta be closer to the mic, right? Let's see here. Network. Where is this shit? Cellular, right? Add eSIM. Use QR code. Scan QR code. Let's see if that works. Activate eSIM. Your new eSIM from Ultra Mint is ready to activate. Okay. Okay, player. This is America. This is America. Cellular setup complete. It's now active on this iPhone. In the next steps, you can choose how iPhone will use your cellular plans. Yeah, primary, secondary, mint, mobile. Dude, and I got a 305 number. Holy shit. That's crazy. No. Wait. My default line is primary. iMessage primary. Cellular data primary. Turning this feature on will allow your phone to use cellular data from both lines depending on your coverage and availability. You can change your selection later in settings. That's awesome, yeah. Let's auto switch that shit. Yeah, baby. Okay. Bro, should have done this a while ago. Nice, your phone is set up for data and picture messaging, but blah, blah, blah. Fucks yeah. You're 3 months ago. Okay. So I think I got a number. You save this number here. Who called me at 786? What? Card. Edit. Sorry, I'm just replying to a friend here. So I was in a streaming coding session, so you're live on YouTube. ¿Qué tal, penita? I am. I am. No pasa nada. Mira el perro de. Bueno, te iba a mandar, pero ya que estás aquí. Mira el perro de.
Ay, qué bonito. Bueno, no me gusta tanto, pero está cuchi.
Quedaste grabada live de que dijiste eso. Si Ramón ve esto.
No creo que lo esté viendo.
No, pero si lo ves, esto queda después grabo
Oye,
en mi
ya,
channel.
ya. Está cuchi. Pero lo hubiese quedado más lindo un chivo. No, pero está chiquito, está cachorro.
Sí, pero ya tiene 5 meses.
Yo sí, porque se ve medio grande. Está comiendo chola. Qué cuchi, hay que
Pero él
conocerla.
él me dice que
¿Es
va a ser
él
el
o
tamaño
ella?
de Kenji, pero verga, ya está grande, pues mira.
Sí, está grande.
O sea,
¿Es él o ella?
ella. Kaya se llama.
Ay, no, sí está bonita. Ahí la veo más linda.
A ver, es un perro bello.
Sí, está bien bonito.
Y mira los hermanos.
¡Ah! Esos son chivas reales, gordo. Vamos a buscar uno. Mira, este me gusta.
Esto se parece a Kenji.
Ese me parece muy pequeño, pero sería cool llevarse este.
Es como más negrito.
Ay, ¿tú te imaginas, Diana, con otro chivo acá en esta casa, el pelo? Dios mío. ¿Quieres tener más para limpiar? Pues sí, yo creo, para que vengas una de la semana. Y así aumentamos nuestros gastos en general. Más limpieza, otro perro, otro veterinario, otro... Ay, ya, ¿te quiere trabajar en las horas extras? Es lo que quiere. Horas extras para poder pagar todo.
Sí.
Sí, ¿verdad? Sí. Ay, no, mija, y el tiempo con ellos. No. Ya te digo que cuando falte algo, ya le necesito que no quiero más perros. ¿No? Ay, es que uno sufre mucho con ellos. Sí. Cuando faltan, lloro no pareja. Y se enferman. ¿Y tú ves ahí que, tipo, cuánta gente se está viendo?
No me está viendo nadie.
¿Y dónde dice the people that, o sea, dónde dice la cantidad de gente?
Te metes aquí en YouTube. O sea, pero. ¿Qué pasa, pues?
Ese background tuyo de streamer está horrible.
No importa.
Horrible awful.
You are horror awful. Ah, me 0 personas. One watching now, que soy yo
O sea,
mismo.
tú.
Ujú.
Yeah, I will watch that.
Okay.
With that background, I mean, not you.
Right.
I will watch you.
Bueno, let me get back to it, okay? Alright, so I think I got a number, right? So let's try it out here. Let me reopen WhatsApp web here. Scan the QR code. Let me do it with the other phone number. Scan the QR code with your phone's camera. Tap the link to open WhatsApp. Scan the QR code again to link your account. I guess I don't want to link my account here, right? I guess I just want to do it the first time. Yeah, the first time I want to do it through the bot. So let's just get that going. I already have the phone number. I've installed my eSIM. Okay, I did save the password, so we're good here. Disclose Twilio, that shit sucked. Alright, so I do have the phone number. Let me just send this. I'm just gonna type it here. Alright, so hopefully I don't open that file. We'll see. If I leak it, I leak it. Fuck it. It's still the bot number, so. But I think the overall plan looks good. Let's go ahead and yeah, implement it. I'll be right back. Ven para acá, papi. Can you come? Can you come? Can you come? Ven para acá, papi. Can you come? Papi. Ven para acá. Échale. Échale. Échale para acá. Miren quién está aquí. Miren quién está aquí. Se me cayó el AirPod, pero miren está aquí. Miren quién está aquí. That's your dog, papi. Yeah, he's kind of scared. He doesn't like being on top of me. Bebito tan bonito. Pinche perrito tan bonito.
Bueno.
Ay, bueno, que me va a caminar, mamis.
Oh,
¿Ah?
no.
Ya, ¿quién te deja caer, papi? No, me muerte aquí. Contamos.
Ay,
Dame 5 minutos y vamos. What the fuck. Ay, cómica. Let's... ¿Mm?
No chule, porque ya oscureció, ¿viste?
Ok, te escucharon. No, ahorita lo buscamos. Alright, I'm getting called to walk the doggy. Vamos a caminar, papi. Alright, I'm gonna let this thing go here. I'm gonna stop the stream for now, but I'll come back and we'll see what we got. I'm gonna walk my dog, so Beauty of Agents, right? I'm gonna let it run here. Hopefully it's not like prompting me to yeah, since it's the first time I'm running a ton of these commands, I think it's probably gonna like keep asking me for permissions because I don't have it in the free-for-all mode where it's like the dangerously like allow everything, because yeah, it's an easy way to like fucking computer or lose all my freaking, I don't know, passwords. So I'll just let it yeah, I'm gonna end there. I'll come back and see where it's at and we'll go through what it came up with. All right, peace.